Hey everybody, in one of my last stories on Instagram, I showed you a picture of our brand new A320 Neo APU compartment doors with multiple drain masts, and I asked you if you know what they are good for. And when I ran through the answers, I find out that basically most of you have no idea, but don't worry, I had no idea as well. This completely new concept for me. And there was also some questions about drain mast itself. So I will show you first how drain mast works on the old aircraft, and then we're gonna take a look on this new concept of the drain mast. So what is drain mast good for? Basically, it's here to drain unwanted fluid from the compartments like engines or APU compartment, and most of them are flammable fluids like fuel or oil or hydraulic fluid, because these fluids can cause a fire, which we're trying to avoid. So that's why these fluids are drained overboard through the drain mast. Also, you can have a buildup of anti-ice fluid or water during rain. So all this fluid is drained overboard through the drain mast. It also helps us identify the leak from the APU or engine, because into the drain mast leads a few different pipes from different compartments. And exactly in APU, this pipes leads to combustor, exhaust muffler, air bypass plenum, IGV actuator, fuel control unit, oil pump, forward bearing seal, and bleed control valve. Also, under the gearbox of the APU, we have a quite big drip tray which collects all leaks from the component of the gearbox, and this fluid is also drained overboard. Disadvantage is that this drip tray is located on the bleed duct of the APU. This bleed duct is installed on the right-hand compartment door, and it opened together with them. So from time to time, it can happen then a small part of the fluid, which is inside of the compartment, can get inside of this duct. That's why you need to be always sure that there is no fluid on the front end or on the aft end, on the elbow seal. You need to be sure that these sections are clean. Another disadvantage of this configuration is extra weight of the duct on the doors. So there need to be spring-load mechanism to help you open the door and to close them. And with this information, it leads me directly to the new concept of our brand new A320. When you open this two compartment doors, you will notice that bleed duct is fixedly installed in the APU compartment, and because of that it was necessary to somehow move the position of the master drain mast and split it in three individual drain masts. So we have one on the back, which is responsible for the APU itself, for these three drain tubes, and then we have one separate for each door. So if something drips on the door, it will lead directly to this exact drain mast. And with this update, it will help us easier identify the leak from the outside without opening the door. And also leak check whether both APU compartment doors open will be more safe for us, because when APU is running, you have a big intake directly above your head. And with this new upgrade, you have a duct there. So the environment is more safe for us. This update of the construction also helped with the prevention of the ingress of unwanted fluid inside of the duct, and this will prevent fumes in the cabin. Another advantage of a duct fixedly installed inside of the APU compartment is that we lost the weight on the doors, so we can get rid of that spring-load mechanism, and both doors now holds only on hold open rod. And one fun fact, same construction of the duct you can find on Airbus A330. Also, this improvement shrink the space inside of the APU, so for us as engineers it will be a bit harder to work around this duct, but I hope that future will show us if this improvement was a good thing or bad. Anyway, thank you for your attention. Let me know in the comments if it was helpful for you. My name is Tomasz, this was Aircraft Maintenance with Zeto.r, and I will see you on next one. Bye.